Hey y'all, welcome back. I'm excited to share with you guys another new product that is in our Get Creative collection. So we have a Get Creative collection, as you guys know, with lots of ways to help you in your everyday busy life. So whether you need organization and solutions for home or whether you need solutions for on the go, this Get Creative line is so wonderful, and I'm excited to share a couple of those products with you today. So this here is called the Get Creative Crossbody. I love it. I was so excited to see something like this in this collection because I have people asking me for something like this all year long, and I think it is wonderful. So this is called, like I said, the Get Creative Crossbody. You've got a little pocket right here to store things if you'd like. You've got a great area right here for personalization. This does come in a few prints. This is that floral 𝗂𝗏. If you wanted to personalize this, I would definitely do it in the blush thread color. Also, the charcoal black would look very good on here. Also the plum personalization, love that. This has a handle right here on the top, so you can grab it up just like this, but it has a long adjustable crossbody strap. So there's a little adjustable strap piece there. So you can wear this, of course, as a crossbody. You can cinch it up, or even wear it on your shoulder. I like that option because sometimes we just need to be hands-free, right? So this has a zipper closure all the way around the edge. So I am going to unzip this to show you what I have on the inside. So when you open it up, you've got right here on this flap, you've got two zipper pockets here. So you can store maybe pens and highlighters in those. And then over here on this section, you'll see that you've got room for books. So whether you want to take your planner or you want to take your devotional with you. This is my Mary and Martha, Grace and Gratitude, 100 Days. What is this thing called? Devotion. I just said it a second ago. If you don't have a devotion, my friend Becky is a consultant, and I will link below her website so you guys can check these out. I adore this so much. I love reading this devotion every day. And then I have just a Bible in here as well. So this can hold several books and things like that in here. So you got the adjustable, not really adjustable, but elastic right here. So this can definitely expand. So I think this is a great Bible bag. It's a great journaling bag. It's really, you know, just a way to keep your things secure. So this is called the Get Creative Crossbody. Okay, so I definitely think that if we're using this for church, you're going to need something to pair this with. I love, this is called the Get Creative zipper pouch. It also will come, you can get it in this twinkling plum print. It's so pretty and it matches that so well. This is called the Get Creative zipper pouch. When you open this up, love it. You've got slots here to store things. You've got a little zipper pouch right here in the middle to store things, and then even a section back here. But I think this pairs very well together, especially if you like to write in your planner and use different colors. I have erasable pens for my planner. I love it. So I like being organized and keeping things separate like that. So that could definitely fit in here on top of your Bible or your planner or whatever. All right, and then if you get those two together, actually, you get the Get Creative Crossbody and the Get Creative zipper pouch, you qualify to get something for half price because of our 50/50 customer special, you guys. For every $50 that you spend, you get a 50% off item. So I think that you definitely need to pair this with our City Scene bag in that ruby distressed pebble print. Look how gorgeous that is together. This ruby print really pulls out the red and that ruby in this print. I think it is gorgeous. So this can be your church purse, your Sunday go to meeting church purse, and then you got your little Bible bag to go. I think this is like the perfect solution set. So anyways, thanks so much for watching, you guys. I hope that you like that idea, and I really think this is like an excellent gift for Christmas. I think this is an excellent Christmas gift. So, or birthday gift, anniversary gift, Mother's Day gift. Lots of ways to gift a 31 for sure. If you don't have a consultant, I would love to be your 31 girl. I'm going to link below my VIP group so you can request to join. I'll ask you 2 questions before you join, so make sure that you check your message request folder or that spam folder, and hopefully we'll get you added to my VIP group if you don't have a consultant. If you are interested in learning more about the 31 opportunity, the business opportunity, like I am a consultant. If you would like to be a consultant, I would love to sit down and chat with you and see if 31 would be a fit for you or maybe someone that you know. If you're interested in hosting as well, being a hostess for me, I create a shopping link. You share your shopping link and you earn some rewards. Your friends shop and you earn. Definitely we can chat about that as well. I'd love to set up a shopping link for you to share. And then you guys, thanks so much. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up, and you can share it with your friends and your family, and it means so much to me. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope y'all have a great day. Stay tuned. I've got more videos to come.